Hey guys, Dr Duce back again, and today I'm going to be doing a beat making session. Everything will be centered around my faithful Roland Juno 106 synthesizer, and it will be based on this pad sound. Okay, and hopefully you'll enjoy it, so let's get into it. Now I'm going to start off with this big ambient kick, dropping on the 1, and then layer this up with another punchy kick afterwards. Now you can hit the link to grab all of these Body Blows drum samples for free. So I'm quantizing as I go along, and now for my snappy snare drum. So click the link to find out how to create your own trap snare rolls and hi-hat rolls using Logic's arpeggiator. So it's all about placement, and these ambient claps will be placed very wide apart. That way they actually stand out. So these two percussion sounds actually come from Logic's own Drum Designer plugin. And now for some TR-808 toms. And now it's time for my 808 basses. Remember to check out my video on how to make your own 808 basses in Alchemy. Now this section will be done in 2 parts, so I can get that nice bass glide in the last bar. Okay, so the Juno 106 is a fantastic analog synthesizer, but it does have its limitations in that it doesn't transmit certain controller information, such as aftertouch and velocity. I've now therefore switched to another keyboard in order to put down the last two parts, which include the vintage mellotron and the electric piano. Okay, so I'm going to quickly take you through some of the processing that I've done on all of these individual tracks. As standard, I always have my compressor switched in with some soft distortion. The next thing I've got is the new multi-effects processor with Logic 10.4. So I've gone with the filtered chorus movement preset, and I've automated the depth of LFO1, and I'll show you that. Okay, so that's opening up over time. Cool. The next thing I've done is I've actually gone with the new vintage EQ. I've pulled out some of the mid frequencies, take out some of the mud, and then I've added just a little bit of movement with stereo delay, and this is just the standard default preset. Let's see what we got. Okay, and the last effect, of course, is the new reverb, which I really love. I've gone for, again, for a preset. Let's switch that out. Now that really adds something special to the sound and bringing it to life. Now on the vintage mellotron, I've automated both the blend and tone controls, as you can see here. Okay, so that just opens up over time. And of course, all of my tracks benefit from Logic's vintage compressor circuits with some soft distortion switched in. And of course, my drums go through one of my favorite plugins, which is iZotope's Alloy 2. So I'll finish off by playing out with the track. So do remember to like, comment and subscribe if you find the video helpful, and I'll be back with more real soon. I'm Dr. Duce. Peace.